Welcome! In front of me I have Haylou RS4 watch, and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this device. Before we start, if you want to change the screen timeout duration on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Haylou Phone application. Once the devices are paired, we can continue. And now we can open the Haylou Phone application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, we can tap on the Me icon, select our Haylou 4, or rather SR4, my bad, by tapping on it. Now, scroll down, find the option called Device Settings, and tap on it. And here we have duration of on screen. Select this option, and you will see the list of durations, and you can select 5 seconds, 10 seconds, and 15 seconds. I'm gonna select 10 seconds, but you can select whatever you like. And once you select the option, it should change and be applied. So I selected 10 seconds, so when I wake up the screen on my watch, it should turn off automatically after 10 seconds of an activity. So let's wait. Like this. And that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.